Welcome to Semrana English classes. Hello बच्चों, how are you? I hope you all are good and enjoying good health. So let's start our today's session, and we are starting chapter explanation, the fun they had, from para 5th. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick." County inspector had managed mechanical teacher. So county inspector is the person who has come to repair or manage mechanical teacher, that is a computer of Margie. He smiled and patted. Patted here means to slap on back with love or in praise, जैसे थपथपाना बच्चों को करते हैं पीठ पर. So inspector told her mother, Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, that the geography sector was geared a little too quick. These things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up. It was not the fault of Margie. There was technical fault. The geography sector was managed or created little faster than Margie's age. County inspector had slowed that up to an average age 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. He also told Margie's mother that her progress was quite satisfactory. She was doing good, and he patted Margie's head again. और वो फिर से मार्गी के सर पर थपथपाता है, हल्के से स्लैप करता है प्यार से. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So we see that Margie is disappointed here. Margie dislikes it. She is not happy because she wanted to have some time without her teacher. She was hoping that county inspector would take away the teacher, and it will take some time to manage it because they had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Because she had seen that once Tommy's teacher was taken away like that, and it took 1 month to manage it. उसको ठीक करने में पूरा मंथ लगा था, तो उसे लगता था शायद उसके कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को ठीक करने में भी इतना टाइम लगेगा. The history sector of Tommy had blanked out completely. Tommy के history sector पूरी तरीके से blank हो गया था. It got empty. पूरा खाली हो चुका था. Blank यानी खाली, empty. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" So Margie is very annoyed here. She asked Tommy, "What is so interesting about a school that people write about it? Why would anyone write about a school?" Next para, 6th. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it's not our kind of school. Stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had 100 years ago. Tommy gave a sharp look to Margie, looked her very sharply, and told her, "That kind of school were not our kind of a school. Stupid. This is the old kind of a school." And he tells the school description which was in the book. They were the old kind of school. They were the school of their ancestors, and they were hundreds and hundreds years ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully. And he also paid attention to this word again. Centuries ago. क्या बोलता है वो? Centuries ago. कि ये बहुत पहले की बात है, शताब्दी पहले की बात है, तब ऐसे स्कूल हुआ करते थे. आप ध्यान रखिए. It is described in the chapter about 2 kind of school. One kind of school are the computer system or study through internet online. Another kind of school are the school where students go together to school. They sit in the certain classrooms. There is a special building and human teachers are there to teach them. बहुत सारी और भी qualities होती हैं उस स्कूल की. So next line, Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of a school they had all that time ago. Margie really did not know what kind of a school there were centuries ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Now she read and came to know that there were teachers in old kind of a school, in real schools. Sure, they had teacher, but it wasn't regular teacher, it was a man. And Tommy told her, yes, there were teachers, but the teachers were not our regular teacher, means they had computer and mechanical teacher, but there were human teacher as we have today. A man? How could a man be a teacher? She is shocked at this, to know that there were teacher and they were the men, human beings were the teachers. She asked, how could a man be a teacher? Because we know that she had never seen a human teacher. She had always studied through computer, online study, through internet. तो उसको नहीं पता है कि real teacher भी पढ़ा सकता है. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Tommy cleared it. Yes, that is a human teacher, and he used to teach students and used to guide them and assigned everything, homework, classwork, everything. So, next para. A man isn't smart enough. At this, Margie says, how can a man this much smart to teach students like a teacher? She means here her mechanical teacher, computer. Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. So we see there is conversation between continuous Margie and Tommy. So Tommy replied here, sure he is. Yes, of course, a teacher is that much smart. My father knows as much as my teacher. क्योंकि मेरे पिता भी उतना जानते हैं, फादर भी उतना जानते हैं जितना कि टीचर जान सकता है, ये जानता है. He knows almost as much, I betcha. And he says कि हाँ वो इतना कुछ जानते हैं, सब कुछ जानते हैं. And I can bet you. और वो शर्त I betcha here, I bet you की शर्त लगाने के लिए तैयार था. वो मार्गी से कहता है कि I can bet you. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. Margie, who is already annoyed, she was not prepared to dispute with Tommy because she did not know much about the old kind of a school. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. But she said that I would never like a strange man in my house as a teacher who will be in my house and teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. Tommy started laughing loudly. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. यानी वो टीचर घर में नहीं रहते हैं. They had a special building and all kids went there. Look here. They had a special building. यानी special building. Today's school. जैसे कि स्कूल आप अभी जाते थे but right now you are not going to school because of this COVID-19 spread and you are staying at home and studying online. लेकिन स्कूल की जो एक अपनी क्वालिटी होती है कि स्कूल हमें क्या देता है, स्कूल से हम क्या पाते हैं, वो बहुत आप सब जानते हैं. और वो एक ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस होता है कि वो बहुत ही यूनिक होता है, बहुत अच्छा होता है. सभी बच्चों को वो एक्सपीरियंस होता है और हम ज़िंदगी भर स्कूल में हम कैसे रहते हैं हम नहीं भूल पाते हैं. तो मार्गी और टॉमी इस चीज़ को नहीं जानते थे, लेकिन उन्हें जो रियल बुक मिलती है उससे वो जान पाते हैं. एंड ऑल द किड्स लर्न द सेम थिंग, मार्गी आस्क्ड कि क्या सभी बच्चे एक ही चीज़ सीखा करते थे. श्योर इफ़ दे वर द सेम एज. टॉमी रिप्लाइड कि यस इट वॉज सो इफ़ दे वर ऑफ द सेम एज. अगर वो बच्चे एक एज के हुआ करते थे. बट माई मदर सेज a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently. But Margie now says As she was informed by her mother that a teacher has to be adjusted. ये किस टीचर की बात हो रही है? Which teacher is to be adjusted? Mechanical teacher, computer. Computer needs to be adjusted. उसको adjust करना पड़ता है कि उसको कौन से स्लॉट में कौन सा होमवर्क, क्लास वर्क, ये सब पहले से सेव होता है और वो उसके अकॉर्डिंग चलता है. तो ये मैकेनिकल टीचर की बात हो रही है. तो मार्गी कहती है कि मम्मी ने मुझे बताया, उसकी मदर ने उसे बताया, वो ऐसा बताती है कि एक टीचर को एडजस्ट करने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. एंड दैट ईच किड हैज़ टू बी टॉट डिफरेंटली. और हर बच्चे को डिफरेंट तरीके से पढ़ाना पड़ता है. Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. Yes, the same thing used to happen in those kind of school, in old kind of school centuries ago, but not in that way. ऐसा हुआ करता था तभी भी, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं होता था. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं टीचर में इतनी एफिशिएंसी होती है, एक्सपीरियंस होता है, या जब वो पढ़ाता है तो वो ये इस चीज़ को समझ सकता है कि बच्चों को ये चीज़ समझ में आ रही है या नहीं आ रही है, या what method a teacher should use and try so that all his scholars can understand, all his students can understand well. तो ये एक एडजस्टमेंट है, वो टीचर जो ह्यूमन टीचर होता है वो खुद करता है, उसको अलग से करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. बिकॉज ह्यूमन टीचर इज़ नॉट अ मशीन. आई डिडेंट से आई डिडेंट like it. Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. और अगर तुम्हें ये अच्छी नहीं लग रही है तो you can stop reading, you don't read. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie answered. वो कहती है मैंने ऐसा नहीं कहा कि मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. Margie said quickly she wanted to read about schools and she was curious to read more about those schools of today. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Mrs. Jones, who is Margie's mother, she called Margie and instructed her to study as it was her time to study, and she also said that it was perhaps Tommy's time also to go to study. Next para. Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Nonchalantly meaning here without showing much interest or any enthusiasm. Enthusiasm यानी excitement, जोश, उस चीज़ के बारे में interest दिखाना. So Tommy here showed no enthusiasm about this, that Margie said that she would love to read the book later, and he walked away whistling the dusty book. और उस पुरानी dusty book से मतलब है यहाँ पे old पुरानी book, dusty book. Beneath his arm, उसके हाथ में arm में लगी हुई थी dusty पुरानी किताब, और वो चला जाता है. Margie went, next line, Margie went into the school room. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. So it was Margie's study time. She went to her bedroom. There she had her computer, and that was the mechanical teacher, and mechanical teacher was already waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. So Margie is ready and her mechanical teacher is also ready, and it was always ready on the same time. It is very punctual, very perfect and very regular. But Margie did not study on Saturday and Sunday because her mother told her Saturday and Sunday were the off school days and they were the weekends, so they had fun on day whatever. Mother said little girls learn what better if they learn at regular hours. और वो बिल्कुल रेगुलर पंक्चुअल है स्टडी को लेकर, आपको भी होना चाहिए, और रेगुलर आवर्स में पढ़ती है क्योंकि ऐसा उसकी माँ ने उसको बताया है. The screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Screen was lit up. Lit up means it is on. वो चमकने लगता है, वो दिखने लगता है, लाइट उसमें आ जाती है. And it said today's arithmetic lesson, and it was Margie's arithmetic lesson that day, and she was going to study addition of proper fraction. It was instructed by the mechanical teacher, and mechanical teacher also ordered her to insert her yesterday's homework in the proper slot, in the right place or proper place. Next para, 10th. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old school they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. So Margie is still thinking about the old kind of school of his grandfather's time, of his ancestors' time. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. So now she was finding it interesting that all the students used to go to the school, in the school area, schoolyard together, and they used to sit together, study together, laughing, shouting, making merry. Sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. So it was all so recreating, so good. They learned the same things so they could help one another. So this was a very perfect idea. Margie was thinking about the real schools, old kind of schools. How interesting it was that they used to study together and they used to share things, and they could help each other, homework and talk about it. और वो homework भी एक साथ share कर सकते थे, बातचीत कर सकते थे इसके बारे में, और वो बहुत ही interesting तरह के स्कूल थे. तो आजकल ऐसे स्कूल आपके पास हैं. एंड द टीचर्स वर प्यूपल. और सबसे ज़्यादा द मोस्ट परफेक्ट एंड मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग वॉज दैट टीचर्स वर प्यूपल. दिस इज ऑल्सो लिटिल स्ट्रेंज फॉर मार्गी, फॉर अ चाइल्ड लाइक मार्गी, फॉर अ किड लाइक मार्गी who had never gone to such a school and who had never seen, who had no idea of such schools. लेकिन जब उसे उस रियल बुक से पता चलता है तो उसे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि ह्यूमन टीचर्स भी होते हैं और वो किस तरह से पढ़ाते होंगे. द मैकेनिकल टीचर वॉज फ्लैशिंग ऑन स्क्रीन. मार्गी वॉज थिंकिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स वाइल मैकेनिकल टीचर वॉज ऑन, एंड इट वॉज असाइनिंग समथिंग व्हेन वी एड फ्रैक्शन 1/2 and 1/4. वो इस तरीके से एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है मार्गी को. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. और मार्गी सोच रही है कि किस तरह से बच्चे enjoy करते होंगे पुराने स्कूल में और वो कितना अच्छा स्कूल होता होगा. She was thinking about the fun they had. और वो किस बारे में सोच रही है कि कितना फन वो enjoy करते होंगे, कितना मज़ा आता होगा. How entertaining these schools were. How students used to enjoy in the school. So we see the last line here, the fun they had. Actually this is the most significant line of the chapter. Here it is clearing the idea of the title. That is why we say that the title is appropriate, the fun they had. जो टाइटल रखा गया है चैप्टर का, नाम जो रखा गया है द फन दे हैड, वो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है, क्योंकि मार्गी एंड टॉमी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फन विच चिल्ड्रन हैड इन द स्कूल. कंपेयर कर सकते हैं टॉमी मार्गी के स्कूल्स को, मैकेनिकल टीचर्स को, और आप जिन स्कूल्स में जाते थे उनको, कि किसको आप अच्छा पाते हैं. वहाँ पे सिर्फ पढ़ाई ही नहीं, बहुत सारे चीज़ें हैं. अदर एक्टिविटीज़ आर ऑल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ योर करिकुलम विच यू आर एंजॉइंग इन द स्कूल, डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़. और उसके अलावा बहुत कुछ सोशली मूव करना सीखते हैं, अवेयर होते हैं स्कूल में, ये सब चीज़ें हैं. So now we have finished this session here. Now you subscribe my channel, press bell icon and get all the notification. Bye.